Hi, I'm Avery.
I'm Aiden.
I'm Olivia.
Today we're making Sour Patch Kids grapes.
We love Sour Patch Kids, but Dr. Cohen says that we can't have them because of our braces.
For this treat, all you need is a toothpick, some water, grapes, and Jell-O.
And remember, you should always have your parents' permission before you start.
All you need to do is put a wet grape on a toothpick, roll it in some Jell-O powder, and put it on your tray.
These are really easy to make, and it goes a lot quicker when you have some help.
One problem you may have is that as you're moving along, the Jell-O will crystallize as it gets wet, and it won't be as powdery as before.
That's not half bad.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. We are going to put these in the freezer and then for about a half an hour, and then we are going to transfer them into a Ziploc bag. We got our grapes out of the freezer. Now it's time to put them in the Ziploc bag. You could keep this in the freezer for 1 month, but trust me, they won't last that long.
And you have to make sure you clean up when you're done.
We hope you enjoyed making and eating this tasty treat.